it's Bree. Today I'm going to be doing my squishy collection video, and I collect with my sister, so yeah, I might have like 2 or more than 1, and some of my squishies are at school, but yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I keep my squishies in this box, and I'm going to have it at this angle, so then you can actually see me like do the squishies. Oops. So yeah, let's get started. The first one I have is this Chow rainbow cake. It's pretty squishy. And here it is in packaging. So I have 2 of these. So yeah. Then I have 2 of these squishy bananas by Squishy Fun. I also have 2 of these. Here it is out of packaging. So yeah, super squishy. Then I have this Crush Ball soccer ball. My camera won't focus. 2 baseball Crush Balls. This one's like really defected, so. The other one, this one is way more better. Crush Ball, which is defected. These French fries, these French fries squishies, which is pretty defected. And it does have a cell phone strap. This popsicle squishy, which was like my first squishy, was like really defected, and my aunt's dog chewed it up. So yes, but yeah, starting into like the really bad crappy squishies. This one, not even squishy. Gee, wish this is what the purple one was supposed to look like. Big squishy, which I got at Walgreens, and it's like super defected. It's homemade Panda Bun, and by the way, I have Panda Buns coming, so yeah, this is really bad. But I am gonna be making a homemade squishy video. This homemade emoji bun. This donut. This one is like my hardest squishy. This is the last one. This is a basketball Crush Ball, which I just got this one yesterday. So that is all I have for you guys today. I will be having an updated squishy collection and a homemade squishy collection. And yeah, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. Bye!